how to withdraw money from your Chime credit builder card. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from your Chime account. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Chime app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here at the bottom, click on Move Money. After that, you'll see an option that says Add Money to Chime, but you can also use this to withdraw. Then click on Transfer from Other Banks. This will give you the option to transfer from your spending account on Chime. If you have funds available, select the amount and choose the bank you currently have on file. If you don't have a bank added, you can click on the option to add one. Once everything looks good, click on Transfer. This will transfer funds from your Chime account to whatever bank you have on file, allowing you to withdraw your money. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from your Chime credit builder card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.